Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am caking another marbled buttercream cake. I absolutely fell in love with this technique, and I will leave a link to my first marbled buttercream cake here. This one though is for my boyfriend. So he turned 38, and of course I had to make a cake. So he wanted a marbled cake, and I marbled the buttercream. Boom, double birthday present, right? So I knew I had to stick some skewers in this cake because it was pretty tall. I baked a 9 by 13 inch sheet cake and I cut it into 4 sections. They weren't even. I have no idea what the dimensions were, but it was pretty tall. So I'm gonna crumb coat this and just pop it in the refrigerator for about a half an hour, maybe an hour. I didn't time it. I'm gonna be honest with you. But just until that buttercream sets so the cake is more stable. Now on to my favorite part, the marbling of the buttercream. So you want to measure out some parchment paper or an acetate sheet to the size of your cake, and you literally just spread buttercream on it. Boom. So simple, so easy. It looks really elegant. Like, I love the way it looks, but it's so easy and messy and just artistic. I am lining my marbled buttercream sheets against a chilled cake. You literally press it on there gently, but you want to get all the air bubbles out, kind of like fondant. And you pop that bad boy in the refrigerator for about a half an hour. I don't know your fridge temp, but mine, half an hour is good, just enough so that buttercream will get nice and firm, and then you can pull it out like I did here. Pull off your parchment paper and you have, look at that, marbled buttercream. On to the Superman logo for my Superman. I rolled out some fondant about 1/8 of an inch thick, and I literally printed the Superman logo out for the size that I wanted and traced it and then cut it out. Pretty simple. I typically like to do this instead of buying fancy cutters because it's cheaper and more convenient for me, because I don't have to go to the store or search on the internet for the specific cutter. I can literally just print it out to the size I need it, cut it out, and have a decoration for my cake. And I wound up painting this with some silver luster dust. It looked a little bit better to me. I also added some lettering, a happy birthday, and a word only Floridians use. You'll see that in a second. I will leave the links to the sweet stamps and the luster dust and all the other materials that I used in the description box below. So here it is, the final assembly. I love the way that this cake turned out. If you like it, go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe. If you didn't like it, keep that negativity to yourself, and I will see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.